Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in the world of QuickBooks Point of Sale, I'm going to talk to you about what a point of sale revision is, and then how to find out which revision of the software you are on. You may already know your version number. It might be 2013, version 12, version 18, or what have you in the future. That's your version number. However, after QuickBooks Point of Sale and Intuit release a total version, such as version 18, they also have revision numbers. And that's what happens when the point of sale update downloads and installs. So every time you install an update, it actually changes your revision number. And sometimes it's important to know which revision you're on because maybe something's not quite working right. And you're like, why isn't this working right in point of sale? And then the tech on the phone might ask you, well, which revision are you on? Oh, that was fixed in revision 11 or revision 5 or whatever. And so you need to check out which revision you're on, and that might clue you in on whether you need to update. And sometimes updates don't even happen automatically. Sometimes your point of sale gets a little confused and doesn't know that it's supposed to install an update. And there are fixes for that, and there are ways to force an update to a new revision. There's also been an occasion where they released an update, and people who installed that update, suddenly it broke some of their add-ons and some of their different mechanisms. And they were like, oh no. So a lot of the third-party software companies were like, don't install that revision. And a lot of people had to check which revision they were on. Before we do that, I'm going to have you click on the link down below in the description so you can jump on over to our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group, and you can join up there so you can ask me more questions about your point of sale. People such as myself or other point of sale users will pitch in and answer all your questions. Maybe you're having some errors, maybe you're wondering the functionality of something. Go ahead and do that, and then don't forget to click on subscribe if you're sitting on YouTube right now, so that you can get updates for all the wonderful new videos we're putting out. All right, let's do it. To figure out which revision QuickBooks Point of Sale you're on, you can see that I'm in 18.0 here. But to find out which revision, I'm going to go on the Help menu. I'm going to go on down to About QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale, at the very bottom there. This screen here, obviously it shows your license number, and then what type of the point of sale software you're on. You can see I'm on multi-store. Tells you where it's installed, and then the installation date, the update date, a few other things, and which workstation you are on. Now, it also tells you which revision you're on. See, we're on QuickBooks Point of Sale 18.0, revision 6. So if somebody was wondering, oh, have you installed revision 7 yet? I could go here and I could be like, oh no, looks like I'm still on revision 6. I better check my updates. So there you have it, folks. That is how you're going to check your QuickBooks Point of Sale to see which revision number you're on. I'm glad you came along with me so you could learn this knowledge, and I hope to hear from you and see you in the future. My name is Peter with BlackRock Business. You have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.